What makes academic goals actually stick for students? Imagine trying to build a puzzle without knowing what the final picture looks like. That's what setting vague goals feels like. If you want your goals to stick, they need to be clear and specific. Instead of saying, I want to do better, aim for, I want to earn at least an 85% in my math class this semester. When goals are precise, it's easier to focus your efforts and see how close you are to success. Using the SMART framework can help make goals more effective. That stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of just study more, set a goal like review notes for biology every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for the next 4 weeks. This way, you know exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to check if you're making progress. It keeps things realistic and organized. Goals that matter to you personally are more likely to stick. If you connect your studies to your future plans, like wanting to become a nurse, your motivation grows. When you see how your current work fits into your bigger picture, it becomes easier to stay committed, even when things get tough. Breaking big goals into smaller steps makes them less intimidating. Instead of trying to master an entire subject at once, focus on one chapter or topic each week. For example, review notes, complete practice questions, or join a study group. These small wins build confidence and keep you moving forward. Creating routines and a good study environment also helps. Set a regular study time each day and stick to it. Keep your books, notes, and supplies organized and in a dedicated space. When studying becomes part of your daily routine, it turns into a habit that's easier to maintain. Tracking your progress is another key. Use a planner or a checklist to see what you've completed. Regularly reviewing your goals helps you spot what's working and what might need changing. If you're falling behind, adjust your plan instead of giving up. Focusing on the process rather than just the end result keeps you motivated. Celebrate small improvements, like understanding a difficult concept or finishing a chapter. This makes studying feel rewarding, not just a chore. Starting early and revisiting your goals every few weeks keeps them relevant. As you grow and your schedule changes, your goals should adapt too. This ongoing process helps you stay on track and develop good self-regulation skills. Having support from teachers, friends, or mentors makes a big difference. Share your goals with someone who can encourage you and give feedback. Sometimes just knowing someone is watching your progress keeps you accountable. In the end, goals that stick are those that are clear, meaningful, broken into manageable steps, supported by routines, and regularly checked. When you combine these elements, you create a path that makes staying motivated easier and turning your intentions into consistent study habits.